on, go. And what's your name first?
My name is Al.
Al, okay.
We have the most exotic bagels in the state.
Okay.
As you can see, we got French toast, we got apple pecan crunch, brownie fudge, peanut butter chocolate chip, coconut banana crunch, around 40 flavors.
What's the most unusual or the most, is there like one you won't, that's like too freaky even for you?
For me, energy sourdough.
Oh,
that's
energy. It doesn't sound right, does it?
Yeah, energy.
But somebody likes it.
Kicks now, with the drinks, now we got to make a bagel, give you some energy. So that's the most unusual, I think.
Okay.